JFF President Mike Ricketts recently said interim coach Paul Hall is favored for the Reggae Boys coaching job on a permanent basis. Listen.
I think so far we are very impressed with Paul Hall's performance. He has managed to build relationships, and that is so very much a part of being a good coach. We have a number of applications right now, but he certainly will be the front runner. We will certainly, at the end of the qualifiers, we'll certainly have a sit down with him, look at where his interests are, and then make a determination. But as it is now, Paul Hall certainly would be the front runner if he really desires to be the head coach on a contractual basis.
Question, Mr. Ricketts. Paul Hall has one game of experience, one pre-love losing game experience, and is a clear front runner for the job. You know, wait and see how the results go and how the team play for the rest of the World Cup campaign, and also to see what the other candidates have to offer, and then you make a decision. Eh? Me don't understand, Mr. Ricketts. Oh, it's because Paul Hall, he money cheap. Yes, it's cheap. It's cheap this year, look. Oh, it's cheap this year, look. Hall money, not enough like Tupper money or Shaper money. All right, that's cheap this year. Big up yourself, Mr. Ricketts.